Hi. I am your teacher. Call me Jay. Great to have you today. Let's start our class. Here, we are going to discuss about the different developmental principles. This will help us teachers on how to deal our students according the natural development of our students. Let's get started. Number 1. The child, or the adolescent learner, should among other things be considered as a living human being. As such, he undergoes the process of growth and development. To every child, the potentialities of growth are inherent at the time of conception and are determined by the genes, the carriers of heredity, but without a favorable environment, normal growth and development cannot occur. Number 2. The three elements, increase in size, differentiation of structure, and alteration of form, constitutes something more than simple growth. Together, they comprise development, the series of orderly and irreversible stages that every child goes through, from the beginning of its life to the end. In everyday speech, the word growth and development are used almost interchangeably. It must be clear when dealing with learners that growth is only one aspect of the process of development. Number 3. No two living individuals, as the learners we are studying about, are exactly alike. Each grows and develops in a unique fashion within the limits that his heredity and environment permit. Every child has his own way of growing and developing. Number 4. Science now knows that all children grow in much the same pattern, rapidly at first, then more slowly, but very quickly indeed when puberty arrives. Studies have shown that this general pattern leaves room for considerable individual variation in the child's overall speed growth, in the ages at which he grows most rapidly, and the trajectory he follows to reach his destined height. Number 5. Learners respond differently to academic stimuli. Using some measuring instruments, have found out among other things, that simple problems in mental arithmetic can under certain circumstances cause massive increase in heart rate and blood pressure. Number 6. Nearly all human behavior is learned, rather than inherited. Man is much less a creature of instinct than any other animal. Indeed, the capacity to learn, to substitute flexible thinking for the rigidities of instinct, is a basic measure of intelligence in man, or any other species.